Namaste friends, this is Shruti Anand. Welcome back to my channel Wardrobe and Fitness. So guys, today's video is going to be really different apart from my regular fashion, lifestyle and fitness videos. Currently there's a huge buzz in our country about GST. So I thought that I need to talk about this in my video, that what exactly GST is all about and how it is going to impact our day-to-day life. Since August last year, the country has been preparing to change the way it pays taxes. The GST is going to be implemented from 1st of July of this year. Now let's talk about what exactly is GST. GST, or the Goods and Services Tax, is applicable on the supply of goods and services. It will replace the current taxes of excise, VAT and service tax. Currently there are different VAT laws in different states, and this creates problems, especially when businesses sell to different states. Also, most businesses have to pay and comply with 3 different types of taxes, that is excise, VAT and service tax. Let me explain this concept more clearly by giving an example. Currently in most of the states, there are different tax rates. And what happens is, for instance, if there's a state A and B, and if state A has less tax as compared to the state B, the goods will start moving more from state A to state B. And this thing is not healthy for any growing economy. Now the thing is that this GST will bring uniform taxation across the country. The aim of GST is to simplify the tax hurdles for the entire economy. Now comes the question that who will have to pay this GST? GST will be paid by all the manufacturers and sellers. However, since GST is an indirect tax, it will ultimately be borne by the end consumers, just like in the current process. Let's come to the point that what kind of GST will be implemented in India. India will implement the Canadian model of dual GST. That is, both center and state will collect GST. There will be 3 types of GST. The first type is CGST, that will be collected by the center. The second type is SGST, that will be collected by the state. The third type is IGST, which is applicable on the interstate sales. This will help in the smooth transfer between the center and state. When this GST will be implemented, there will be a lot of changes in the country, and changes are always not easy. Most of the countries that have implemented GST before India have faced certain issues like inflation and price hike during the transition period. Once the GST will be implemented, the present challenges that are faced due to the indirect tax structure will be a story of the past. India will become a single market where goods will be able to move freely across state borders, compliance will be easier, and the price of daily goods will reduce. Now let's talk about how GST is going to impact the common man. Talking about the basic food items like rice, wheat, pulses, there is no change in tax after GST. But in food items like ice creams, cornflakes, biscuits and chocolates, the prices will reduce. Talking about the non-food items, in most of the non-food items, the prices are going to reduce. But in some items like Ayurveda and footwear, the prices are going to increase. Now comes the category of durable items. Items like TV, fridge, AC, washing machine, smartphones, the tax is going to reduce. But the gold prices are going to be increased after GST. Now let's talk about the basic services. Services like insurance premium, banking charges, cab, air travel, the prices are going to increase. But the good thing is that the movie tickets prices are going to reduce. Coming to cars, on luxury cars, the tax is going to reduce. But when it comes to diesel and mid-size cars, the tax is going to increase. Talking about hotels and eating outlets, the concept here is that there will be high tax on high expenditure. So this was for today guys. I hope you liked today's video. I made this video on the basis of my understanding on the GST concept. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. I would love to hear from you all. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel Wardrobe and Fitness. Subscribe by clicking here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.